friends, we are adding 3 beautiful gifts to our laser engravable gift section at Mailbox Power. The first one is this bamboo little bowl. It's called the Desktop Duo, laser engravable on the top. The lid slides sideways magnetically, and I chose to put a little bit of candy and a few nuts in here, but you could keep whatever you want, whether it's desktop accessories or jewelry or whatever you would like in this little container. The next one is the Bamboo Desktop Trio. Now this one has 3 sections. As you can see, it's more of a cylinder. The engraving goes right here on the top. You can slide this top one to the side. I've got some paper clips. And the next one, I've got some binder clips. And in the next one, a snack. So you could keep whatever you want in there, obviously. I just chose to put a snack in the bottom of mine in case I get hungry. And the third one is gorgeous. I'm so excited about this gift. It is a 12 by 12 beautiful bamboo bowl. And again, the latest addition to our laser engraved gift section. I chose to fill this one with lemons, but you could fill it with whatever you'd like. This is a gorgeous bowl. It's got a bamboo inlay in here. Bamboo is a renewable resource, and we can all get excited about that. So whether you send it to friends, family, colleagues, or your best clients, whoever it may be, they'll be super excited to get any one of these brand new bamboo gifts. And if you thought that was a fake background,